What's up, G Squad? It's your girl Glenda, and we are back with another video. If you want to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we upload a new video. Now, the burning question: what you cooking, Glenda? Again, I'm not. My mother is here, Chef LaWanda. She is in the kitchen, and we are doing the doggone thing. This is video number 2, and on this video, we are fixing, what do we call it? Stewed hamburger. Y'all, these are the meals that just take me all the way back to when I was about, man, I don't know, about 12, 13, all the way up to now, really. I should say. So, anyway, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Let's get to this video.
Hey, welcome back. I am once again a guest of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. And right now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to prepare stewed hamburger meat. And this dish can be used for a variety of different purposes. This is going to be like in a Mexican style, so I know before there was a video of fideo, which is vermicelli, and that's really good to go with that. Now you know we got an upcoming video of floured tortillas. So let's just get into this right now. What I'm going to use now, this is not my rendition, but this is Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Every time she uses a hamburger meat such as this, she also used turkey. So I'm going to lightly season the turkey, some seasoned oil, and the hamburger meat. Lightly season it with seasoned oil and black pepper. I'm gonna mix this all up together. You don't have to do it this way, but it was easier for me to do this and let you guys know that there are 2 different kinds of meats that's being cooked here. Now you know the ground meat has fat. It renders some fat, but the turkey, there's hardly any fat in this, so that's a good thing because you don't have to expect a whole bunch of fat from this dish. So we're seasoning this up, mixing it up really good, and then we're going to put it in a large pot and have it to start cooking. Now at this point I'm going to use like a cup of water. We're going to chop up onions to go into this dish. Remember back in the days in my earlier experiences as a chef, I used to go, sister can't do that no more. So we do the best we can with old Arthur and Rumi messing with me a lot. So we do the best that we can do with what we got. I'm going to add this to your rapidly cooking meat over here. And then I have a 1/4 cup of bell pepper, which we're going to also add to this. I'm only putting this amount in here because we also are going to use green chilies also. But you can also use what you want. You can use red bell peppers if you want to. Like I said, this is stewed chilies. This is our rendition. Stewed hamburger. And this is our rendition of it. We're going to stir this. Just dropping everything out the pot. Like I said, it's cooking on a fast pace right now. So you can't even hardly see the water that I put in it. But look at how the meat is uniformed. All of it is around the same chunkiness. We'll let this cook a while. And while we're doing this, we're going to add heaping teaspoons of garlic. Like 3. We're going to add the cumin to this as well. There's about a teaspoon and a half maybe of cumin, maybe not that much. You don't want to overpower your dishes with a lot of seasons because it'll take away from the natural flavors of the meat in this case. So what we're going to do here is just let this cook down before we add anything else, or let the onions and the garlic cook along with the ground meat, which in fact it will render some fat, which we'll remove. So we'll be back. That is cooking on a high heat. Let's go ahead and stir it. You know, I was told by Glenda that this is a ground chuck. So you know, ground chuck hardly ever have a lot of fat to it. And by the being together with the turkey, you can see there's hardly any. You hardly see any fat on here. So we'll let this cook down. You can see that the meat is cooking pretty good. Okay, at this point, I'm going to add some beef bouillon base to this to give it some added flavor. That's about a tablespoonful. Now the reason I only did this lightly salted because you know that these flavors, the chicken and the beef, they have their own salt. So you don't want to over salt it. Stir that into that. And once again, like Glenda always say, you can always season this the way you prefer. This is your kitchen. You're doing what you want to do in your own kitchen and cook the way you want to. We're just giving you the basics on how we do it here. That is really coming along good. So at this point, we're going to do some diced green chilies. This is really going to make it really great. I'm going to add some more black pepper because you know I like it to pop. This is about a tablespoon and a half more black pepper. Have you ever been cooking and you figure something is just not right? It needs something. Child, let me tell you what it is. It's black pepper. You add you some black pepper and watch. Hallelujah. Your flavors will come out really well. Like so. Yeah, baby. Okay, we'll let this stew some more, a little bit while longer. You can see the meat is already done. Give the vegetables a time to cook a little bit more, but we're cooking a stewed ground meat. I'm gonna go ahead and add the diced tomatoes. I think this is a 13-ounce can. 15 to 13-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Black pepper got to me. And there you go. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna put a little bit more cumin in that. And we're going to this time add a little salt. There's a little pinch of salt. So we're going to turn this on a medium heat. Look at that. Ooh-wee, look at that. Turning out just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at that. We're going to turn it on a medium. Excuse me. Ooh, black pepper. I told you I like black pepper. Medium heat and let it simmer for a while, and this dish is ready. we'll have a taste test on this. We're back. Be right back. Stewed hamburger meat. And so like, this has been cooking on a low heat, but you got to look at this. Get this close. Come up here close and look at this. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the onions and tomatoes. And it's in like a stewed. You know, if you would like, you can also, you see that extra juice? If you want to make a small roux and thicken this up, you can do that. They're really great with tacos and stuff. But this is our finished dish right here. So of course, you know, we're going to have a little taste test, see how it turned out. But as all, I enjoy cooking with you guys, and see you next time.
What's up, y'all? So we're back, and I'm about to do a taste test on this stewed hamburger. Again, y'all saw in the last video, this is another recipe that takes me back, that my mom made with tortillas, and sometimes it had beans. You would make beans on the side, and vermicelli, which you saw on the previous video. So this is what it looks like in my bowl. And now I ain't gonna burn my mouth up this time. Hold on. That flavors caught me right back here. Do you know what I'm talking about? Y'all know when y'all drink something or something that got like a little something and catch you right back here? That's what that just did. Caught me right back there. But this, mom, this was really good for real. Like, I can't wait to put this with some tortillas. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you next time.
Hey, welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. I am once again a chef of hers, guest of hers, Chef LaWanda.
Chef of hers, guest LaWanda, yeah.
Hey, welcome back. I am once again a chef.
That's bloopers. It's going. That's the bloopers. We put that in there.